In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Google Maps Street View on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your iPhone. You can either type an address at the top or simply zoom in manually to the location you want. To enter Street View, press and hold on a street. A pin will drop and above it, you'll see a small image of the street. Tap on that image to open Street View. Keep in mind this feature is not available on every street. Remote locations may not have it. Once in Street View, you can rotate 360 degrees to look around, zoom in or out depending on your preference. Tap See More Dates at the bottom to explore different dates if available. Use the arrows on the screen to move left, right, forward, or backward along the street. When you are done, tap the X at the bottom left to exit Street View completely. And that's it. Now you can explore any street right from your iPhone with Google Maps Street View. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.